Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Had to make a quick trip to Home Depot. Needed to pick up a few things. Got a lot going on today, so you know I had to bring out all my garden tools. Swapping out one lilac for another. You know what? Today's gonna be a good day. Spotted a ladybug. Hope the other lilac recovers just like this one. Got to find it a new home. Let's put it here. Nope, that won't work. Not wide enough. How about one of these buckets? Let's take this one out. You know what? I think this Proven Winners bucket will be a perfect fit for it. We did our part. Let's take a wait and see approach. Maybe next year sometime. What do you think? Time to dig up the lavenders. Already got a hole waiting. Let's get it done. Trying to figure out where I should dig it up from. Maybe here. What about here? We'll see. Just want to be as careful as possible. Well, I got it out. It is what it is. It's time to transport it and place it in its new home. I keep telling you guys, if I could put this in a blender and package this smell, I would be a billionaire by now. This stuff is great. I know it doesn't look like much now, but progress is a slow process. Okay, got the lavenders in, got the other lilac in place of the other lilac, if that makes sense. All right, time to plant some new perennials. What do we have here? Delphinium, red lark. I went with this one because of its color. Let's see how well it adjusts in its new environment. Okay, got them in. We'll see what happens. I'll say this, guys, about perennials that are full sun, even annuals that are full sun. I notice when you put them in areas that get plenty of shade, they thrive in those areas too. So don't just think you always have to put full sun plants, full sun annuals, perennials, whatever the case may be, in direct sun all day long. That's not the case. Okay, let's get the annuals and put them in pots. I need to hurry up and finish this phase. Looks like a storm is headed our way. I bet you think they're sonic blooms, but they're not. You'll see. Anyway, you know why I didn't plant these next to the fence? Because the holy grails are just as dark. I thought they would clash and it would be an eyesore. Look, just like the other ones, right? Just like them. So I put the red larks here to add a bit of contrast, if you know what I mean. Of course, you're free to do what you want. Just made that observation and I wanted to share it with you. All right, let's fill this pot with some good stuff, topsoil and potting mix. Do you think it was necessary to add annuals around this perennial? Leave your comments below. See, I told you they weren't sonic blooms. These are actually ginger wines. Got to be from the same family though, right? See, this is what I was talking about. You remember the white garden flux I had? Imagine me putting the white garden flux here. They would clash with this white siding. Hey, and please don't take offense to what I'm saying, okay? All right, got the ginger wines in, annuals in. This looks great. Although I like to mix and match, I like the Vincas more than any other annual. So this might be my last year with the celotias and marigolds and stuff like that. Okay, so these are the Dollar Tree pots I was telling you about. Not bad. I usually have the celotias in the front, but I can't because there's a sticker on this one that I cannot get rid of. I can't get it off to save my life. So this is the position it'll have to be in for now. Not bad for a $5 pot and a stand that was almost thrown out. Remember when management was going to throw them out, I saved them. Now look, you see what you can do with your stuff that's just laying around the house. Ginger wines look great. Annuals look great. Pots full of soil. That's always a good sign. I'm a bit embarrassed about how this looks, but I'll get it together. Hard work pays off. You know that. And of course, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.